Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for US IT recruiter position from VTech Solutions Incorporated. For this position, both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible, and it will be night shift, and it will be initially work from home, and the job locations will be Indore, Noida, Vadodara, Ahmedabad and Anand. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for US IT recruiter position from Eros Technologies. For this position, you must have minimum 1 year of working experience as an US IT or technical recruiter, and the salary will be based in the market, and recurring incentives and bonus will be there, and it will be permanent work from home. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Intellisoft Technologies is hiring candidates for the following positions. For the position of Business Development Executive or Business Development Manager positions in sales, there are 4 vacancies are available. For this position, you must have 1 to 5 years of work experience. Coming to the next one, for the position of mid-level recruiter or team lead position for US staffing, there are 6 vacancies are available, and you must have 2 to 5 years of work experience. Coming to the last one, for the position of account manager in sales and recruitment, the candidate must have worked with a prime vendor or tier 1 vendor, implementation partner, Infosys and Cognizant, and there are 3 vacancies are available. For these positions, the work location will be Noida, and it will be currently work from home. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for web designer position. Like, you must have 1 to 5 years of work experience, and also you must have experience in these ones, like in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, HTML, JavaScript and jQuery Bootstrap, and it will be currently work from home, and the location will be Ahmedabad. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Inficare is hiring candidates for the US Healthcare Recruiters Team Lead and US IT Recruiters Team Lead positions, like C2C recruiters and W2 recruiters. For these positions, you must have minimum 1 year plus work experience required, and the work timings will be 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. and Saturday and Sunday will be fixed off, and you must have laptop and internet connection at home, and work from home option is also available, and you please go through the address that is mentioned here, and if you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Python developer position for web scraping, and it is from GMware. For this position, you must have skills in Beautiful Soup, Scrappy and Selenium, and also you must have 1 year plus work experience. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Amiga Informatics is hiring corporate HR executive and senior HR executive positions for internal hiring. For these positions, the candidate should be from USA and India IT staffing background only, and you must have minimum 3 to 7 years of work experience from India and USA IT staffing, and you must have excellent communicational skills, and you should be proficient in job boards and LinkedIn. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there is a job opening for Scala Developer position To eligible for this position, you must have minimum 4 years of experience in Scala programming, and the package will be definitely not a constraint for the right talent. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Java or J2EE developer position. Like, to eligible for this job role, you must have 4 to 7 years of work experience in Java, and also you should have experience with working on Spring Boot and microservices for up to minimum 1.5 to 2 years. And you please check once test of the qualifications and experience required, and you are going to getting a salary up to 22 lakhs per annum, and the work location will be Hyderabad and Bangalore, and it will be currently work from home. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Jetrosoft is hiring senior Oracle Apps database administrators. To eligible for this position, you must have minimum 5 years plus work experience. And you please check once like in which domains you should have experience. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.